I gotta drop off my son and his friends at their first soccer game. They took a ride from the guy giving out free candy. My friends are robbing a bank and they need me to be the getaway driver. They walked into the bank and paid the bank. I'm at work and I got a call from someone saying they're gonna rob my house in 10 minutes. I told them where all the valuables were. My wife asked me if I could get her a personal car. She told the police I beat her. I just got divorced and I'm ready to get back in the game. I need something to impress the ladies. I'm gonna stay single forever. My friend's car broke down and he needs me to pick him up from the sketchiest part of town. I told him good luck. I wanted to get my son into cars, so I bought this to teach him. He's more attracted to vehicles than women now.